I'm old, I'm puzzled, and I'm only able to change one of those.
The last video I made was a time lapse of 3 jigsaw puzzle solves, each of which was a black and white image of an MC Escher print. I'll add a link to that video in this video's description. I really needed to do a puzzle with some color in it. It was an enjoyable 4.5-hour solve, but I have to admit that all of those black pieces in the end really slowed me down.
So thanks for watching the video. Also in the comments is a link to my Buy Me a Coffee page if you'd like to support this channel. And subscribe to this channel to see what other nonsense I can get up to. Because, you know, I'm old, I'm bored, and I'm only able to change one of those.